In this blog, we will see how to code a collapsible toolbar in our Flutter application. So here we are not making use of any libraries or any other third-party tools here. So let us get into the code now. So starting with the void main, here we are considering the default class my app, which is extending a stateful widget here, and here we are creating a state for it. And here we are making use of the my app class state here. So here you can see we have returned a material app inside which we have provided the theme. So here I have provided a theme color as black, and it's an optional again. Depending upon your application theme, you can specify the colors over here, and also you can make a constant file for declaring all the colors and constant files which you are going to use within the application, so that it can be reusable throughout the application. And inside the home we have declared a scaffold here. So using the scaffold we are declaring a body here. So here you can see we have declared a custom scroll view. So as we have said that it's a collapsible toolbar, so here it is how it looks like. So let us see the output here. So here what you see is a app bar here. So whenever you scroll up, it becomes the normal app bar which you see in every application. So whenever you scroll down, you can get the view of complete view of the app bar here. Here you can specify the image or data or whatever you want to be appeared on the app bar when it is expanded, and the text here is the same when it is collapsed and expanded. So here we have specified the text, and the background here I have specified a sample image here. You can also specify a local image from your Flutter application. So here I am providing a URL here for the image to get loaded into this particular location here. And here you can see we have used a silver app bar here, so using which we are able to load this collapsible toolbar here. So after loading the app bar, we are having the remaining space. So here you can see after the app bar is loaded, we are having the remaining white space here, right? So the white color area is nothing but the remaining space here. So we are trying to fill the remaining space here using the silver fill remaining here. So here we have provided silver app bar and also silver fill remaining here. So this is the second half where we are trying to load our remaining data. So here I am trying to load a simple grid view here. So here you can see a sample menu I have loaded here using home, profile, settings, and all these kinds of options. And this is again a general scenario which I am trying to show on the screen to just to fill the space here. So this is how a general collapsible toolbar is provided in the Flutter. So here we are not using any third-party libraries, and this is a basic view of a collapsible toolbar. And you can also add your own customized buttons here, like navigation buttons or any menu buttons over here. So generally you can find this type of collapsible toolbar in Android applications. And as you are aware that Flutter can provide apps for both iOS and Android, so this is a better way of coding the collapsible toolbar for either of the platforms here. So this is it for the tutorial, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.